The testing contract is an agreement between you and the student, ensuring you understand the accommodations that must be made available to the student during each quiz, test, etc. Meet and work with the student to discuss the student's individual situation and how accommodations will be implemented in your course given individual circumstances. This is critical in order for the university to remain in compliance with the federal law. To fill out the testing contract, please click the link at the bottom of the advocacy memo. Under Alternative Testing Contract Type, click Main Campus Testing Contract and choose Continue to Fill Out Contract. Please read all the information at the top very carefully before filling out the form, as there is vital information about the testing process. Once the above information is read, you may start to fill out the testing contract. First, while meeting with the student and reviewing the student's schedule, determine if there is a scheduling conflict. For example, if student's accommodations is time and a half on a test and your class is an hour long, the student must be given 1.5 hours to complete the test. If they have a class directly after your class, this would prohibit equal access to the course following yours. Select the testing parameters to which you and the student agreed to. If there is a scheduling conflict, write the specific details about the agreement in the notes section. For example, you and the student may agree that the student will take the test within 2 business days of the class. Now, please select how your test will be delivered to the Office of Accessibility, OA. Please remember, tests needing to be brailled must be sent in 3 business days prior to the test date. Next, select any additional material that the class may use during testing. The additional notes/comment section can be used to identify specific test instructions. For example, if formulas are available on quizzes only, in the additional notes/comment section, write formulas allowed on quizzes only. Now select from the options below of how you would like your test returned to you. Once you have selected how you would like your test returned to you, the next step is to choose if the student can take any part of the exam with them after the completion of the test. Please specify which portion of the exam they can take with them in the additional notes or comments section if you answered yes. For example, if the student can use the formula sheet and they're allowed to take it with them after the test, specify student may take formula sheet after exam. Now enter the length of time you offer in class over the semester for each of the following: final, midterm, pop quiz, or quiz. If you give a pop quiz and need OA's assistance in providing accommodations during the quiz, simply email OA Testing letting them know the date and the time of the pop quiz and attach the quiz to the email. If the student chooses to use the accommodations, respectfully release the student to take the quiz in our office. If you plan on lecturing, remember you may not lecture while the student is not present due to testing. If you lecture while a student is taking a test, then the student has not been given equal access to course material and is a potential violation of the ADA. Each time the student schedules an exam, you and the student will be sent an email confirming all of the information about the upcoming test. Please review the confirmation email and pay particular attention to the date and time of the test. Check to ensure that the test is in the parameters agreed upon between you and the student in the testing contract. Also, review any additional materials allowed on the test. If there are any issues with the time and date or modifications to materials, please notify OA at oatesting@utoledo.edu. Finally, enter in your phone number and any additional information that you would like OA to know. Then choose Submit Alternative Testing Contract. Please remember that this form will be filled out once a semester per course per student. If any questions or concerns come up, please feel free to contact us at extension 4981, email us at oatesting@utoledo.edu, or stop by Rocket Hall 1820. Thank you.